Good morning, dear students. How are you all? So, today we are going to do English. And in English, what we were doing? We were doing chapter number 5. And name of chapter number 5 is Grandma's Yo-Yo. So, yesterday, what we have done? We have made some sentences in the last class, and today also we are going to make some sentences. So students, let's start. Our first word is came. C-A-M-E. Came. Came किसका past tense है? Come. Come मतलब what is the meaning of come? You all know the meaning of come. Come का मतलब yes. come का मतलब होता है आया या फिर आना. So past tense of come is came मतलब आया था. First sentence can be I came from the school. मैं कहाँ से आया? I came from the school. मैं स्कूल से आया था या फिर आया. Hong came back from the school. Hong कहाँ से वापस आया? Hong अपने स्कूल से वापस आया था. So Hong came back from the school. कम मतलब C-O-M-E. कम मतलब आना. और came मतलब आया था. Past tense. Next word is said. S-A-I-D. What is the past tense of say? Say. S-A-Y. Say. What is the past tense of say? Past tense of say is said. S-A-I-D. Ram said. राम ने कहा that I should attend his party की मुझे उसकी पार्टी अटेंड करनी चाहिए. और क्या बन सकता है said से? said से बन सकता है सीता said. सीता ने कहा that I am beautiful. Our next word is wanted. Wanted किसका past tense है? Want. W-A-N-T. Want. Want का मतलब चाहना. और what is the past tense of want? Past tense of want is wanted. मतलब what we have add at the end, we have added at wanted. He wanted to go to Delhi. वो कहाँ जाना चाहता था? दिल्ली जाना चाहता था. So meaning of wanted is चाहता था या फिर चाहा था, चाहती थी, कुछ भी. So our next sentence can be I wanted to buy a pink dress. मैं कैसी ड्रेस खरीदना चाहती थी? पिंक ड्रेस खरीदना चाहती थी. Our next word is plate. Next word is plate. Played किसका past tense है? Play का. So what is the past tense of play? Played. What we have added? We have added ed. Play ed. Played मतलब खेला था या फिर खेला. Hong played with the yo-yo. Hong ने किससे खेला था? With the yo-yo. I played with my best friend. और क्या बन सकता है played से? I played with my sister. I played with my father. Or I played in the park. So students, you have to make some sentences from these words. But again, I am repeating that you will not write these sentences in your notebook. With sentences, those sentences which we have done in the class, you will not write same sentences in your notebook. You have to make sentences by your own. Okay, you will not take help of your parents if needed. If needed, then only you can take. But उसके अलावा you will not take help of your parents while making sentences. You have to make it by your own. जैसा भी आता, you have to make it by your own. Okay? But again, I am repeating that you will not write the same sentences which we have done in the class. Okay, students? You have to write it by your own. आपको खुद sentences बनाने, खुद सोचना है और फिर आपको sentences बनाने हैं and then you have to write it in your notebook and you have to touch all the lines while writing. In the first line, what you will write? In the first line, first of all, you have to write date. Okay, on the left side. On the right side, you will write, suppose this is your notebook. So on the left side, you will write date. Here you have to write date. And on the right side, you have to write classwork. Okay? And then in the first line, you have to write chapter number 5. And then in the next line, you have to write name of the chapter. Grandma's yo-yo. And then in the third line, you will write make sentences. Okay? And you have to touch the lines while writing. So students, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.